Hello my dear students, a very good morning to all. Let's start our today's computer class. We are on chapter number 2, managing files and folders. Today I am going to explain you the features of Windows 10. In this you came to know that what additional features the Windows 10 is having. The first GUI version of Windows operating system was Windows 1.0. GUI stands for Graphical User Interface. It allows the user to interact with electronic devices through graphical icons. इसका बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल है आपकी कंप्यूटर की स्क्रीन. You are able to see the icons, menus, start button. These all are what? These all are GUI, Graphical User Interface. Similarly, when you open your mobile phone, you see some icons, applications and their logos na. This is also GUI. Since then many versions of Windows operating system have been released. उसके बाद काफ़ी versions Windows operating system के release हुए. The most popular versions are Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. The Windows 10 operating system has become very popular because of its following features. First one is attractive and easy to use. It has a complete set of new pictures, themes, styles and icons. The use of graphics makes it quite interactive. The new pictures, themes, styles and icons of Windows 10 are very much interactive. It works the way we want and makes new things possible. Second one is improved start menu. The new start menu of Windows 10 gives you quick access to apps and services. When you click on the start menu, you will see some options like File Explorer, from which you can easily access the files, settings and a list of some apps, power option, etc. Third one is search tool Cortana. The search tool of Windows 10 is called Cortana. It allows you to search for information on the system or on the web directly. It can also be used to play music, videos. You can also set the alarms and reminders. You can also give voice command. Okay, now I am going to show you a video which shows you how Cortana works.
One of the biggest new features of Windows 10 is Cortana, your very own digital assistant that can help with everyday tasks, like finding information, organizing your schedule, and reminding you to do things, to name a few. And the more she learns about you, the more personalized your experience will be. To get started with Cortana, just tap or click the search box on your taskbar and type a question. For example, you can ask what the weather's like in New York, and Cortana will give you the answer. Or if you fancy catching a movie, she can find out what's playing nearby. You can ask Cortana literally anything you want. If she doesn't have the answer offhand, she'll direct you to a web search instead, where you can get more info from Bing. If you've got a microphone attached or built into your device, you can even talk to Cortana and she'll respond with her voice by tapping or clicking the microphone icon beside the search box. First, you'll need to give her permission to access your microphone and other data so she can understand the way you talk. Once that's done, you're all set. So just ask a question by speaking into your microphone. For example, what's Microsoft's stock price?
Microsoft closed up 0.1% yesterday at 57.25.
To talk to Cortana going forward, just tap or click the microphone icon each time to get her attention. Here's another example. How far is San Francisco from New York City?
It'll take 44 hours and 49 minutes to drive to San Francisco, California.
Now come to the fourth one, supports multiple desktops. Windows 10 has a new task view button on the taskbar This button provides the ability to open multiple desktops at the same time. It has a new feature that we can open more than one desktop at the same time by using the task view button, which is available on the taskbar. Fifth one is window snapping. This feature assists you to work with multiple applications on the same screen. In Windows 10, you can open more than one application on the same screen. Now, sixth one is the new browser Edge. Microsoft Edge is the default browser of Windows 10. What is the meaning of browser? A browser is a software application for accessing information on the World Wide Web. And Cortana is an inbuilt feature of Microsoft Edge that helps you to do things faster. Seventh one is Windows Store. The Windows Store application provides you with all kinds of paid and free apps, games, music, movies, etc. Like in phone, we all are having Play Store now, through which we can easily download the games and other types of apps, music player, video player, etc. Similarly, in Windows 10, Windows Store is there, through which we can download the apps easily. Now again there is a video through which you will learn how you can open multiple desktops in Windows 10.
Microsoft Windows 10. How to use Task View and virtual desktops. One of the coolest features of Windows 10 is the ability to launch different virtual desktops on your machine. We can do this by using what's called Task View. Now before we get started and I show you how to use this, I just want to clear up some terminology. When I talk about a virtual desktop, I just mean something like this. When I click here on this Task View, I can see these two different virtual desktops. Here I've created two desktops. I can create more by clicking here on New Desktop. I can also create another desktop by left-clicking and dragging right over New Desktop. And now I have a fourth desktop which has my web browser open. I can always close a virtual desktop if I'd like to.
Okay dear children, that's all for the day. If you are having any doubt, please feel free to ask me. Okay then, thank you and have a nice day.